Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the world of 3D printing and take a look at what is currently the best 3D printer for furries. These individual printers are used in any condition, from printing small trinkets to large-scale sculptures, and have become quite popular among furry fans. And with that in mind, we will explore the best 3D printers for furries and what makes them stand out from the competition. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a massive difference in the performance of your creations. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printer models that furries can use. The output of each 3D printer is truly impressive, and they are equipped with various features that allow the user to take their creativity to the next level. Plus, these 3D printers are especially for users who want to produce highly detailed art pieces. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Geeetech Upgraded Multicolor FDM 3D Printer. In today's fast-paced world of endless creativity, there's a 3D printer that's about to turn your furry dreams into vibrant reality. Meet the sensational Geeetech Upgraded Multicolor FDM 3D Printer, a magical tool that's taking the art of printing to the next level. Ditch the monotony of monochrome. With the unique multicolor printing mode, this printer breathes life into your creations by seamlessly blending two filaments, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors. Unleash your inner artist with the creative mixed color printing mode, where two filaments collide to birth a brand new hue, or they gracefully mingle to craft a gradient masterpiece. But it's not just about colors, it's about precision. Say hello to the 3D Touch Auto Leveling and 32-bit TMC 2208 silent board. With a touch, this marvel levels itself within a blink while the silent board orchestrates symphonies of smoothness, keeping the noise to a mere whisper. With double Z-axis screws and an all-metal body structure, stability and accuracy are the name of the game. Versatility is its forte. It embraces filament 1.75 mm PLA/ABS/PETG, opening doors to endless possibilities. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.